I wanted to review this product because there are a lot of negative reviews about it. I purchased it about a year ago now and have been using it during the winter months when the heat is on, which is pretty much 6 months out of the year. A lot of reviewers mentioned that it's difficult to clean, which it is. And I think this is the major issue with this humidifier. As you can see, this is the inside, or rather the bottom part of a humidifier. And this ring captures and traps a lot of dirt and mold. So what I have been doing, even though it's not recommended, I've been putting some essential oil like eucalyptus, which prevents the growth of bacteria. Now this is the top part of the humidifier. In order to fill it, you have to flip it over and fill it from the bottom. Unfortunately, this top part does not come off, so you actually have to hold the whole top part while it's filling with water, and it really does get heavy. So what I do is I add a few drops of eucalyptus straight into the tank, and for me it does prevent any mold. So this is what's happening when you put it down. The bottom part fills with water. The rest is quite simple. You just press the button over here, and you see this is at the highest point. On the side over here, it has a dial that controls how much humidity you want to place it on. I usually keep it at the highest because it's really dry. The air is really dry. And this top, as I've learned just now, can actually swivel into 2 different directions. Yeah, silly me, a year later.